was that? Ah, oh my god.
Alright guys, welcome back to Dragon Army Airsoft. I'm Copperhead, and today I'm going to convince you that you need a mattress in your loadout. Doing this could quickly give you a 10-person kill streak. Therefore, make sure to watch all the video. It gets pretty funny. We are playing a game of defend the bomb or attack the bomb. I don't know which our job is. I'm just here to shoot people. Let's get right into it.
Cover me. Hi, people. Hey, watch it. Hey, we got a guy right there. Yeah.
Can you give me suppressing fire so I can get to that tree?
Jonathan's up there.
Okay. Press.
The Avalon runs out of ammo, so I switched to my 1911. Since my range is limited, I need to get close to the enemy. I've noticed that the enemy team rarely clears this building, so I'm sneaking in here to get some people coming in. I'm trying to find a position that, even if they did clear the room, they will naturally overlook. That's when I see the mattress. Well, technically it's a bed spring, but whatever. The enemy did not even notice that I shot him. My presence is still undetected.
Ow, thanks, bro.
What was that? Ah, oh my god. Oh yeah.
That's rude.
To keep my exact position from being located, I decided to change positions.
You're out.
Wait, did you attack me?
I shot you.
You hit my shield, but...
I want to keep the enemy off balance, so I shove the mattress into the door. I make the mistake of hiding directly behind it though, and my fun comes to an end.
Hey, good shot, man.
Thank you. I gotta get more ammo.
Well, this little scenario certainly taught us a valuable lesson in room clearing. Check your corners. This is a mistake people make time and time again, and as this video showed, it can be disastrous. But, in this case, mostly funny. I'm glad that this guy was wearing iPro too. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm Copperhead, signing out.